Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we have at hand. The issue revolves around using multi-binding in a custom imultivalueconverter in a WPF application. The view model, converter, and XAML code were provided for reference. The challenge arises when attempting to implement a two-way functionality with the ConvertBack method. The goal is to allow the user to change the state of a checkbox in the view, but so far, all attempts at implementing ConvertBack have been unsuccessful. Now, let's explore the solution that can help tackle this dilemma. In the provided solution, a workaround for enabling two-way functionality in a multi-binding scenario is outlined. The key is to modify the parameter visibility converter by adding a private member variable to store the input values array. Additionally, it's crucial to ensure that the converter object is not shared when used in a two-way scenario. Ways to achieve this include setting x shared equals false in the converter declaration or creating an instance in the binding using markup extension rather than static resource. By remembering the input values and returning them in the ConvertBack method, the converter can support two-way binding. Remember, this method should be used sparingly and avoided if possible due to its hacky nature. To wrap things up, we've delved into a workaround for enabling two-way functionality in a multi-binding scenario using a custom imultivalueconverter. By incorporating the suggested modifications in the parameter visibility converter, we can address the challenge of allowing the user to change the state of a checkbox in the view. I hope this solution sheds some light on the issue and helps you make progress in your WPF project. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!